Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update the Honeygain app and note how many devices are active under your account. Once done, close the app and restart the device to flush temporary network issues, and make sure you're not running a VPN or proxy that masks or rotates your public IP. Next, check the Honeygain dashboard for device count and any network warnings. Act immediately if multiple devices share the same public IP, because that commonly triggers the network overuse state. Now dig into diagnostics. Power cycle your modem and router to obtain a fresh public IP, and then relaunch Honeygain to see if network status clears. If the problem persists, connect one device via Ethernet or the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to reduce contention and demonstrate a distinct network signature. Also, temporarily disable torrenting, streaming, or other bandwidth-heavy apps because they can mimic abusive traffic patterns. After each change, wait a few minutes and observe the Honeygain status to isolate the root cause. Finish by cleaning your account. Remove or revoke duplicate device entries and ensure only intended devices are active. Make sure router firmware is current, reset NAT or UPnP settings if they look misconfigured, and then monitor for recovered network allowance. If the network overused flag remains, collect timestamps, device ID, public IPs, and app logs before contacting Honeygain support. One key troubleshooting tip: always test with a single device on a freshly cycled public IP first, because that proves whether the issue is account or network related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.